Conedex.top might instantly grab your attention with its clean design, modern interface, and a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and BNB, but don't let appearances fool you. The platform makes some bold claims, such as being Singapore's largest regulated crypto exchange and being officially registered with Austrac. However, there's no concrete evidence anywhere online to verify these statements. Dig a little deeper and the red flags start piling up. For starters, Conedex.top says it has been around since 2017, but domain records clearly show it was only registered in May 2025. It also lists high-profile partnerships with major blockchain projects like Celo and Optimism, yet there are no official press releases, endorsements, or even a mention of Conedex from those companies. The site showcases a 4.5-star Trustpilot rating, but clicking through reveals an empty profile with 0 real user reviews, another misleading tactic. On top of all that, even insights.com, a platform that analyzes online risks, has flagged Conedex.top as potentially dangerous due to suspicious patterns and behavior. While there's no official scam label slapped on the platform yet, the mix of unverifiable claims, fake trust indicators, and a lack of transparency make it extremely difficult to recommend or trust this exchange. If you're thinking about investing through Conedex.top, you might want to hold off until there's real proof that it's not just another cleverly packaged trap.